Today, we are counting down the top 10 highest rated Korean historical dramas that you need to watch. Get ready for romance, intrigue, and action-packed moments that will keep you hooked. Let's dive in. 10. Under the Queen's Umbrella. At number 10, we have Under the Queen's Umbrella, a drama that redefines the role of a queen. Forget the delicate, passive royal figure. Kim Hae-soo's Queen Aim Hawa Ryong is a force to be reckoned with. She's a mother lion, fiercely protecting her sons in the treacherous world of the Yosun court. Witness the raw emotion as she navigates palace conspiracies and strives to mold her unruly princes into worthy successors. The drama delves into the intricacies of Yosun-era education, the intense competition among royal children, and the constant threat of political machinations. The show's all 16 episodes are available on Netflix, ready for your binge-watching pleasure. 9. The Red Sleeve. Coming in at number 9, The Red Sleeve is a beautifully crafted romance that explores the complexities of love and duty in the royal court. Lee Jun-ho and Lee Se-young deliver captivating performances, bringing to life the poignant love story between King Jeng-jo and court lady Seong-deok Aim. The drama delves into the delicate balance between personal desires and royal responsibilities, creating a narrative that is both touching and insightful. The emotional depth and historical accuracy of the drama are truly commendable. Prepare for a rollercoaster of emotions in 17 episodes on Viki. 8. Alchemy of Souls. At number 8 is the highest rated Korean historical drama, we have Alchemy of Souls. This drama is a visual masterpiece, set in the fictional world of Daeho, where magic is real, and destinies are intertwined. Prepare to be mesmerized by the stunning visual effects, the intricate world building, and the epic battles that unfold. The Alchemy of Souls concept adds a unique twist, as characters grapple with forbidden magic and the consequences of their choices. With a stellar cast and a gripping storyline, Alchemy of Souls is a must-watch for any K-drama fan. Immerse yourself in this magical saga with 30 episodes across 2 seasons, available on Netflix. Watch the official trailer here. 7. Mr. Sunshine. Number 7 brings us the visually stunning Mr. Sunshine. Set in the tumultuous early 1900s, this drama tells the story of a Korean man who returns from America as a U.S. Marine, only to find himself entangled in the struggle for his homeland's independence. Lee Byung-hun and Kim Tae-ri deliver performances that are both nuanced and powerful, capturing the complexities of love and patriotism. The drama's cinematography is breathtaking, painting a vivid picture of a nation on the brink of change. This is a cinematic masterpiece that will stay with you long after the credits roll. All 24 episodes are available on Netflix. 6. Moon Lovers, Scarlet Heart Yo. At number 6, we have Moon Lovers, Scarlet Heart Yo, a time travel romance filled with palace intrigues and forbidden love that will leave you in tears. Yoon Lee Joon-gi's performances are nothing short of iconic, capturing the raw emotion of love and loss. The drama explores themes of love, betrayal, and destiny against the backdrop of the Goryeo dynasty succession struggles. Prepare for a whirlwind of emotions that will stay with you long after the credits roll. Catch all 20 episodes on Prime Video. 5. Mr. Queen. Number 5 takes us on a wild ride with Mr. Queen. Imagine a modern-day chef, known for his culinary prowess and flamboyant personality, waking up in the body of a Yosun queen. Shin Hae-sun delivers a comedic tour de force, flawlessly portraying the clash of modern sensibilities with ancient customs. The drama skillfully balances humor with political intrigue, revealing the hidden depths of King character. This is a cultural time capsule wrapped in a laugh-out-loud comedy. Did you know Shin Hae-sun won a Bergzang Arts Award for her performance, cementing her place as a comedic genius? You can see all 20 episodes on Netflix and Viki. 4. Tale of the Nine-Tailed 1938. Number 4 takes us into the fantastical world of Tale of the Nine-Tailed 1938. A historical fantasy action drama about a mystical nine-tailed fox navigating the past. This season transports Lee Yoon to the vibrant and chaotic 1930s, where he encounters old friends and foes. The action sequences are breathtaking, blending seamlessly with the fantasy elements and historical setting. The chemistry between the cast is electric, making the drama even more engaging. Enjoy this thrilling ride with starring Lee Dong-wook, Kim So-yoon, and Yoo Kyung-soo. You can watch this drama with 12 episodes on Prime Video. 3. Kingdom. At number 3, Kingdom injects a dose of horror into the historical drama genre. This isn't your typical palace drama, it's a heart-pounding thriller set against the backdrop of a zombie apocalypse in Yosan. The Crown Prince's investigation into a mysterious plague uncovers a web of political intrigue that threatens the very foundation of the kingdom. The tension is palpable, and the performances are top-notch, making this a truly unique viewing experience. The blend of historical setting and horror elements is executed brilliantly, creating a drama that is both thrilling and thought-provoking. Experience the adrenaline rush on Netflix with 6 intense episodes. 2. Night Flower. Nearing the top, at number 2, we have the captivating Night Flower. Imagine a Yosan-era widow who lives a seemingly quiet life by day, but transforms into a masked vigilante by night. Lee Ha-nee delivers a phenomenal performance, showcasing both the grace and the power of her character. This drama offers a unique blend of comedy, mystery, and action, as our heroine rights wrongs under the cover of darkness. The chemistry between Lee Ha-nee and Lee Yong-won adds another layer of intrigue to this already compelling story. You can experience the thrill of Night Flower with starring Lee Ha-nee and Lee Yong-won. You can watch this drama with 12 episodes on Viki and Prime Video. 1. My Dearest. And finally, claiming the top spot as the highest-rated Korean historical drama, we have My Dearest. This historical romance will tug at your heartstrings and leave you breathless. This isn't just a love story, it's a tale of resilience and survival against the backdrop of the King invasion of Yosan. Namkoong Min and An Yoon-jin deliver performances that are both heart-wrenching and powerful, capturing the essence of love amidst chaos. The drama's meticulous attention to historical detail, from the costumes to the battle sequences, immerses you in the era. The chemistry between the leads is palpable, making their love story even more compelling. Dive into this epic saga across 21 episodes on Viki and Prime Video. And there you have it, the top 10 highest-rated Korean historical dramas that you absolutely need to watch. So, did your favorite historical drama make the list? Or do you have other hidden gems that you think deserve a spot? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing K-drama recommendations. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy binge watching. See you in the next video.